Have you experienced having no money? You want to buy something but you don't have any left? We all go through times like that. You can spend money whatever you want, but you should do a limit. Good morning, everyone. I am Angela Maris Monreal, and I want to encourage you all to save money for your own good. So why we should save money? Especially for the students like you. Every student will always ask their parents to give them money so that they can buy food for recess. Yes, it's true. But you should save your money because it can help you in the future. For example, you have an order and you don't have money to pay. But you remember that you saved your money. You can easily get it and pay for your order easily. Right? I guess it's right. Now, I'm going to teach you how to save money. So how to save money? First, if your parents gave you money, you should put it on your piggy bank because the piggy bank can help you to increase your money. Second, don't buy everything you want. You can buy the important things that you can use on your daily life. Lastly, the third, you should balance your money. For example, you have 100 pesos. You should spend the half of it, the 50 pesos, and put the rest on your piggy bank. That three step can help you to save money easily. The funniest thing why I'm sharing it to you is because I like to spend money too. It came to the part that I don't have money and I regret that all. I want you to save money because you will always regret it. I hope that I encourage you to save money and I hope that you will put it on your mind. Thank you for listening.
Okay, let's give her a